Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing on YouTube. That's because of the hot climate of Mumbai. My health was not well and few of the deliveries which were sent to me in the month of April was just kept, out of which I'm going to review one today. And most of the videos like in my coming is going to be reviews where I'll be testing foundations and lipsticks and sharing few skincare products because I'm trying something which is new and is working great on my skin. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm going to review a box. Let me just grab it. From the brand SugarBox. I've just opened it like this so that I should not make any noise. However, the box is still packed. And yeah, I've just changed the background also. Like I'm just sitting on a bare wall of my bedroom and sitting on a chair casually talking to you guys. Now without further ado, let's get started. SugarBox is basically a box subscription which gives you products which is related to lifestyle, beauty and fashion, which I live for. And the price of their plan starts from, just a second, it starts from 1,499 rupees. However, if you take a yearly plan, you pay as little as 1,119 rupees, and everybody wants to save that money. And usually they give you 7 to 8 full size product, like full size, not full sized, not samples. They give you that. I'll be sharing the link of their website in the description box, so go click check. Now let's just open it. In case you people know me, then I love pink color and it has a touch of pink. And how do I open it? Oh wow, you don't have to open this, you can just keep it. Like they have just tied like that way. I like that. And it says color burst edition. Thanks SugarBox. So this is how the box looks like inside. First and foremost, you see the card which states a burst of color, a glimpse of love. Book your March edition for a surprise that stuns. Your sugar advisor. That's so cute. I love the color, the burst of colors in this. Amazing. Now, oh wow, I see this piece of clothing. What it is. Looks good and I hope it fits because I'm a chubby girl and proud to be. Oh wow. Is it a jumpsuit? Oh yeah, it's a jumpsuit. And that too with a halter neck. That really excites me. Oh, and actually apart from halter, I guess you have to button it up. Like this really excites me, and the color is perfect for summer. Stripes works well for summer, and as you know that in Mumbai at least it's still hot, so I'm going to flaunt it. Follow me on Instagram to see a fashion outfit or outfit idea related to this product. OMG. I have never seen anything so cute. Oh my god, I need to carry this to my office. Yeah, I love this so much. Cactus, pina colada, cupcake, smash, like everything is so cute. I love the color. Though I'm a fan of pink, but still green is great for summer. I love this. Thank you, SugarBox. Yeah. Oh wow. Now that's a cap. I don't like wearing caps because it ruins my hairstyle and I have a chubby face, so sometimes I don't opt for that, but summer needs this. How do I look? And can you just see this French fries, right? Yeah, I love French fries. That too with peri peri McDonald's. How's it? Nice. I loved it. I see something which really excites me and gets me to the beauty or skincare regime. Now this one is their Diamond Face and Body Gel Scrub from the brand Dr. Rochelle. I just hope I'm pronouncing that right. Now I don't know about you guys, but I love summer and I love to wear short dresses during summer. But I have issues with ingrown hair, and that's where scrubs helps me a lot. And this one is deep cleansing one, so let me just try this one and I'll review it. For that you have to follow me on Instagram because I put reviews and my skincare secrets there, so do follow me. Oh wow, and there is something to eat. Yeah, of course, after fashion and all this thing you need a break and need to eat something, especially foodie person like me. Now what is this bud? Soothwake, it's very different. Husband, what is this?
Waffle biscuit.
Oh, it's a waffle biscuit. Would you like to share with me? I'm going to try this. I just hope I should be able to open it because I'm too bad and he is the only one who takes care of such things and helps me, though I did it. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm not gonna share with you. It's yummy. Now after done with the waffle, let's just see what's next. Wow, it's a delicate chain with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lockets. I hope you guys can see that. And I'm a big fan of wearing delicate chains, and I love the owl and flamingo locket. Obviously even the love one. Yeah, I'm going to wear it. Now the last product seems like a bag to me, and it says drama, and I'm a very dramatic person by personality, trust me. Even तू सा भी छोट लग जाए ना मुझे, मैं बहुत बड़ा सीन कर देती हूँ. That's me. So yeah, I like this bag. But how about I give this bag? Like, yeah, I'm thinking to give away because it's been ages that I didn't do a giveaway. And not just this bag, I'll be giving you even this. How about this? Like, yeah, I know you will love it. So I'll be giving these two products. All you have to do in the comment section is that you have to comment what is the best thing about summer, what do you like about, just share a small story, and I'll be sending you this product. This giveaway is valid only in India, so please, if you stay in India, then only do that, like contribute towards it or participate in this giveaway. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then do thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All the links are there in the description box. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty, and check out SugarBox.